Hey, long time no see. There's a very good reason for that, guys. What you might be seeing behind me now is a brand new dealership, Suzuki Bersonia. No, it's a lie. It's not Suzuki Bersonia, Suzuki Hoedspruit. Yeah, guys, the iPop Groups decided to open another dealership in a very sunny, very hot Hoedspruit. So yeah, keep a lookout for updates on that. Can't really wait to have this opened. I'll be the dealer principal at this dealership, and we'll be giving you the same legendary iPop service that you've become accustomed to at Suzuki Bersonia. So yeah, this is a pretty big boy, huh? We've got a nice big showroom, nice workshop to service everyone in the Lowveld. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around. Yeah, got some nice parking space for the service center, and then a nice big workshop which they are busy finishing the floor with at the moment. We're looking to open the 1st of November. With the help of our suppliers, we'll definitely get there. So yeah, guys, very, very exciting times, and stay tuned. So excited. Thank you for everyone's support on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. It's really been overwhelming. We've been enjoying it and doing very well. It's not something we're used to. I'm a little bit older than the new TikTok generation, but yeah, we're getting there and it's working nicely for us. Yeah, so keep it locked and stay tuned on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and watch the development happen. Yeah, there's no signage on or nothing, so I think it would be nice to take everyone through it step by step. It's a shell at the moment with the floors that are being epoxied. 1, 2, 3,
wake up, I feel glad to be me. Money shaking to the bank, I feel glad to be me.